Hello, in this video I'm going to talk about session. Session is a user data stored on the server, not on the client side. Therefore, when a user logs out, it disappears, and when user logs in again, the data of the user will be loaded from the server as a session. So I'm going to use the same code in tutorial 3. If you hadn't checked this one, you can go to my video or you can go to my GitHub account in the description. So let's begin. So I'm gonna import session, and since sessions are encrypted to store in the server and it will be decrypted again, we need to have a secret key. So I'm gonna create a secret key. If this secret key is complicated, it will be good for you, but in here, since we are having a tutorial, I'm gonna make a simple one. My key. Alright, and sessions are like it's a dictionary, so we are gonna here store the username in session. Let's say user name is username, and when you log in here, if there's a user in session, it will return this one, and it will take you as argument of the session username, and I'm not gonna pass this you as a argument. And if user is not in session, we are gonna redirect to the login page or sign in page. Sign in actually, and we don't need that one. Alright, let's try this one. Here on the home page, and let's go to sign in. Say coder. Let's change this as a user. I'm gonna return this one. Alright, let's go to sign in again. Say coder. Alright, it should have said hello you, but I guess there's a mistake in here. Alright, it's not a user, it's username. Okay, let me rerun this and go to home page. If we go to user, what are we going to see? Hello coder, because we signed in actually in here. I'm gonna close my web browser and open it again, and go to again user. It redirects us to sign in page because the session data is cleared and it's erased when I close my browser. Let's sign in again. It's a coder, hello coder, it says user. Alright, yeah, and if you want to go to the sign in page, alright, we are here. I say submit, and it displays nothing since we didn't type anything. Alright, whatever I want to keep the session for like 30 days or like a month or like a minute. When I close my web browser and when I again go to my user, I want to see hello coder again in here. Let's sign in again. Sign again, say coder, hello coder. When I close my web browser, I want to see hello coder here. And since we cannot do that one, it redirects us sign in page. So I'm gonna create a time here to keep the session open, and it will be from date time, and the app permanent session lifetime will be date time dot time delta, and the argument will be days or seconds or minutes. Let's say 5 minutes here, or 1 minute here. And I need to open this session. I need to set this session as permanent, and here when we log in, we will have session dot permanent as true. Okay, let's rerun this, and I wanna sign in again as coder. It says hello coder user. I close my web browser here, open this one. Let's go to user. Again, it says hello coder. As we keep our session for like 1 minute here. After 1 minute, we will not reach this data. It will redirect us to the sign-in page. And if we want to manually erase the session data, we want to go to user. It will direct us to login page. So I want to create a logout URL, or app.root, or sign out. Okay, say def sign out, and we will just erase the argument or key in this session. So we are going to just simply type session.pop username in here, and it will return us or redirect us to a login page. Before just rerunning this one, here I want to check going to user. Okay, the 1 minute is passed, so I cannot go to the user page. Right, let me rerun this one. Okay, let's go to sign in. Let's say coder. Alright, we signed in here. Let's go to home page again. We can go to user, and if you wanna sign out in okay, since we are redirecting to login page, we are actually the method will be get method, so we will be in here. So we need to check if the user is in session, username in session, and we will return redirect URL for to user. All right. We run this one. Let's go to user. Say coder. We are in user page, and here let me try this again. In user, if I sign out, okay, it says not login, sign in. Yeah. Okay, let's go to user. This is hello coder. Actually, go to home page and go to user. And if I sign out, it's it redirects us to sign in page, and if I want to go to user again, it again redirects us to sign in page in here. So I need to sign in again to go to the user page. And if I close my web browser, since I have 1 minute to again go to user page, I can directly go to user page and it says hello coder. Let's try again. Let's sign out. And we signed out, and let's go to user. Alright, it redirects us to sign in again. And that's actually quite everything for session data in Flask, and that's all I want to say. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.